Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this install using just the Got to Be Glued spray. I will link the wig details below in the description box, but keep watching so that you can learn how to get your wig installed at home by yourself. First thing you'll need is 91% alcohol, and I'm going to pour it on a cotton round. Excuse my strap, I did not know it was showing. And now I am going to wipe my forehead thoroughly. You have to clean your forehead with 91% alcohol if you want your wig to stick. This is going to make sure all the oils and makeup and product is off of your face so that your wig will stick to your head. Now I am cutting my lace. I'm using regular hair scissors, but you can use the ones with the zigzags in them. But I'm going to cut in a jagged motion, not a straight line, and I'm going to cut around the perimeter of the wig. So now I'm going to put on my wig. Notice I already had on a wig cap. I like to wear wig caps because it helps to keep my wig in place. As you can see, this one does not have an elastic band on it. So make sure to put a wig cap on first. So now I'm just making sure the wig is sitting where I want it to sit before I tack it down with the hairspray. And I want to do that before I start spraying so that I know where my wig is going to sit. So I have my Got to Be Glued hairspray. Now you see me lifting the lace up on the sides. I'm going to spray the hairspray directly onto my skin. And I'm just going to lightly spray because you only need a little bit. If you spray too much, the Got to Be Glued will turn white. So I'm just carefully spraying it on the sides so that I can tack it down. After that, I'm going to use my blow dryer and I'm going to place it on the cool setting. And I'm going to blow dry for 5 seconds. I literally count to 5 slowly in my head. And I'm just going to count to 5 seconds. And once I'm done blow drying, I am going to start sticking the wig down, and I'm going to use a rat tail comb to do that, not my fingers. The reason I don't use my fingers is because your fingers tend to stick to it. So I'm using this metal rat tail comb to just stick it down. After that, I'm done sticking it. It's not going to be fully stuck, you guys. I'm going to tell you this right now. It's not going to be fully stuck. I'm going to go back in with my blow dryer and I'm going to spray it again on the cool setting, and I'm going to hold the comb down so that I'm basically holding the lace down with the comb while I'm spraying. And I'm going to spray again for maybe about 10 seconds. I'm going to hold the blow dryer to my hair for about 10 seconds so that it could dry. After that, the lace will be stuck down to your skin. You will be able to tug at it and it won't go anywhere. But make sure you use the cool setting. If you use the warm setting, it's not going to stick. Now for the top, I am going to spray the Got to Be Glued on the lace. And I do this because I already have the wig sitting where I want it to sit. So I don't want to risk lifting up the lace, trying to spray it directly on my skin, and then it's too far up. That has happened to me before. So instead, I'm going to spray it on top of the lace, and then I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to blow dry on the cool setting for 5 seconds. Press it down with my rat tail comb, and then I'm going to blow dry again for about 10 more seconds. And this is just to show you guys also that you can do it either way. You can spray it on top of the lace or you can spray it up under the lace. It's just whatever is going to be easiest for you. But make sure you just use a little bit of Got to Be. You don't need to use a lot because it will turn white. So I'm just pulling out a little bit of hair right in front of my ear, kind of like where you would put a sideburn, and I'm going to cut it with this eyebrow razor. That's just to conceal the lace that's right in front of my ear. I forgot to do that earlier. So I'm just pulling that out, and I just cut it with my eyebrow razor. I use that because it's so much easier to cut with, but you can use a razor comb. You can even use scissors. Now scissors will give it a very blunt cut, but you can use whatever your preference is. So I'm going to take this Ruby Kisses, and I'm just going to lightly go over my hairline because the Got to Be glue spray leaves these little shiny spots. I know you guys see it. So I'm just going to use the makeup to dull it out a little bit so it won't scream wig. Okay, I am all done, and my wig is on my head, and it will stay on until I take it off tonight. I like this method because it works like lace glue, but it's not glue, and I can take my wig off whenever I'm ready. All I have to do is spray water on it and it'll come right up. Anyway, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and please like and subscribe.